What's up, everybody? Quentin Ivy, Mastermind Unlimited. We've been out for a minute. We went to Gatlingburg last week and had a good time with the family. Went to Gatlingburg, stayed up in the cabins, went hiking, went ice skating, saw the city. We haven't been there in a while and had an outstanding time there. That's where I've been at. Just a break to get away from all the normal COVID stuff down here, working, teleworking, school, cleaning, all that normal family stuff. Had a really good time there. That's what this video is about. So it's basically like home footage. So when you see it and it's all rocky, that's why. I wasn't trying no gimbals, no stabilization, none of that. This is a video I made basically for my family, but I'm sharing it with everybody. If you haven't been to Gatlingburg, it's the place to go, especially if you like hiking and outdoor stuff. So enjoy the video, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and enjoy. Peace out. Head up the mountain to get to the ice skating rink. Okay, yeah, we just had to just walk in there. Let's see. Still cool with it? Yeah, the whole trip. You guys go out first and I'll hold the bag. Hey, Aiden! What is you on my side? How did you get out so fast? Aiden again? Oh. Rented ice skates and my fingers smell like Cheetos.
I'm hangry.
What do you want to eat?
Cotton candy.
Fudge.
None of that. None of that. You gonna say that? You gonna say that? Huh? You gonna say that?
I don't know, Dad.
Huh? You're not going ziplining. It's not that bad, man. It's not how you think it is.
Everything you're saying now means nothing to me.
Subscribe.
So you think they gonna get by without us?
You ain't gonna make it? I think you'll make it. Come on, boy.
They gonna sit down. They win that store.
They go to the weirdest restaurant.
Go now, Mom. Just eat a snack. Let me go back to the cabin. So you can see.
Can I get it?
Going on. So been up in the Great Smoky Mountains here for about 3 days. Today we're gonna
We're gonna go hiking. Found this grotto falls. This place right here. Hold on. I don't know if y'all can see that. We're gonna go check that out. It's at the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. So it's about 3 miles, I guess, to the waterfall, and it's supposed to allow you to walk behind the waterfall. I believe that's what it said. So yeah, that's where we're gonna go here, and then I guess we're gonna maybe hit some other stuff. But getting everybody ready, so we should be ready to go here in a few. I'll probably just switch to a GoPro because who wants to carry a camera for 3 miles or so? But anyway, that's where we're headed. I think we're at Grotto Falls with a hike to it. This trail's called like Trillion Trail. Should be fairly easy. Probably bears looking at us right now.
Wait a second, you could be.
I'll have to show that later. Can we finish walking up this mountain?
I know. Before that,
Rough, high.
you were asleep on the couch. Wait a second, you could
Good.
You want to get someone else?
Can't tell you when it's GoPro, but there's a steep cliff right there. Trail ain't that bad, but it's high. Stand by for a second, Aiden. Come on, I'll get a shot of y'all.
I hear you like you can see it all, hey, car. How the heck did you get up there?
Why would you do
I mean, you could probably come up there right this way.
Why would you?
I don't know.
You like this one better than the other one, Aiden? This trail better than the other one we did? I think the other waterfall is better, but this one we can walk behind it.
I like the first one better.
Huh?
You come walk through that first waterfall.
No, we like I said, we went on a whole bunch of trails.
Yeah.
We went on 3 waterfalls.
You should be doing it at the time.
You said what?
Except, but on the first one, we went on 3 waterfalls.
We're on 3 waterfalls?
We'll take a picture of you.
This one's like...
All right, Mom. Come over. Hold on. There you go. All right. No, she ain't gotta look for her to do it first. All right, we got that one out of the way.
Finish that one. We're done. Now I can do.
What's the one? That's not a big one.
You want a big one?
No.
Oh my goodness.
Big enough for me.
There's a bear in the middle of the road. And I'm lighting up my window.
Yeah.
Wow.
You gone?
No, he's right behind us. Wow. That's natural.
I got that.
Somebody got it. See? Ready to go? Huh?
Picnic spot.
What'd you say?
I said, this is awesome.
I think I can stay out here all day. All right, we're done. We're headed back. Had a fun time here at the cabin. Saw a turkey, big old juicy turkey. Cabin was pretty nice. Not real big, but big enough. And that's it.